The next operation we'll look at is bridge mitering. The Yukon 2 is equipped with a bridge that can be mitered at any angle between 0 and 47 degrees. To set up a miter cut, start by attaching the magnetic level to the side of the blade. On a machine that has an air actuator locking mechanism, push and hold the black button on the rear of the main panel box. With this button pressed, and while watching the readout of the level, turn the hand wheel counterclockwise to set the blade to the desired angle. To lock the bridge, simply let go of the button. The actuators will re-engage and lock the bridge in the current location. After the miter angle has been set, zero the Z-axis and set soft limits as needed. Then you can proceed to miter cut. For machines with bolt-style locking mechanisms, unlock and lock the bridge by loosening the clamp bolts on both ends of the bridge. For complete instructions, refer to the owner's manual.